Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Simple syntax in JavaScript, everything is treated as a var. Today, like in Java program or C program, there is a data type as int float double. Those are the data type that in JavaScript everything treated as a var. String need to be enclosed in it. If you write var here, then it will be treated as int. If it is a single quote, it treated as a string. There is just some Salesforce Marketing Cloud supporting site for help desk. This is the some help desk from direct Salesforce. AMPscript. Earlier we have opened this site here and now it is a server-side JavaScript. Just a quick little step. If you go in this site, you can get more details. What is the purpose? Use core server-side JavaScript functions to personalize learning pages and create applications. Generally, SSS, it is an AMPscript we use for personalization, customization in mail. Measurably, AMPscript we use in email, but SSS primarily we need to use in cloud pages, not in email. What is applications on it? It meant create applications. Yes, we will be smooth it. Wait. Just 2 minutes back after we will be here using SSS, which is generally AMPscript is perfect match for that. It is a part of our email. But cloud pages, it is a better part to use for customization to get data from the data extension. We use the SS. It is very simple. Next, we can create a first small program, and since it is a JavaScript, it is a more in. We should not go in more depth. We should go at least basic things. We should learn that it will be gradually, will be work, and you will be much more comfortable. Let us first program. We should write first SSS program. How to write this first program? To write this first program, one thing you can note it first, and then I will be guide. You can do the hands up. Please take a notes of it, this program. Script run at since it is a running server side, you write the attribute called run at server. Then we need to one predefined platform. It is a library function. Load here all functions that we started with the capital character. It is case sensitive and then we are writing here. It is a version 1.1. It is a version of the SS. The platform.load, then double quote score and double quote 1.1. It is a version. Then we are writing on variable header equal to 10 and you can to print it. We can write that or you can write like it. Then we can write it is just, I am writing here one single. You can just write it whenever it will complete. Then we will go to our marketing cloud environment. Now why should we? AMPscript is a place. Oh, it is a cloud. which is why it is a cloud, which is Studio, Web Studio. Should we create a new one? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Yes, it is a cloud which is languages. Keep it blank save. It is a coding, it is a we go to code view. In left side, you can select it and make it blank, everything blank. Left side delete it. Now go to code view. You can write here. Yes, click here. I have clicked it. Yes, you can. Next, you should write the code for your noted script tag. Write it script tag. Script. Script then paste. I've copied only the first 3 lines. Maybe it's by manually. Platform.load. There is one challenge is there to troubleshooting and debugging because the error it gives, it is the exact error message displayed is quite difficult to understand. The error is happening for this purpose, but otherwise error traction mechanism is there. But still there is some challenges. It is due to experiment. And another one thing is in Marketing Cloud, it is not like that. You have to do too much coding. It is not smart. Purpose of suppose it is a web, cloud pages, you want to display some data from your data extension, then it will be used. Earlier, you have written in mail. In email, if you want to display some data, what you can do, you have done. AMPscript primarily and SSJS is primarily more fit for rather than email fit for, it is a cloud pages. And with Agas, like how do I learn these codes? Like, should I? I mean, for what purpose are we creating this landing page based on that? You are printing something. Just you have declared a value equal to 10. Then next line you write a write method. Write is a JavaScript method. A copy and paste that code here that I can just because I have just copied every 3 lines. Yes, you need to print this variable. If you print, you will be understand something out. Just next line. Write capital. Then in double quotes write a variable double quotes. Bracket not right. These are alert. You have not noted. No, I have not. I have not. Last 3 lines. One thing is never keep here, even I want to share my experience. I keep the training, many majority of my career in thesis, and even many cases many sales for the majority of the Salesforce who come to sales, for they do not have any coding background. Even they when they work, and gradually even I have taught them. It's like a child. And then after a few months, I got to know, even I given the confidence. Then they said, I am working in the Salesforce Cloud, Commercial Salesforce, Commerce Cloud, or AWC. All are inside Salesforce. All scripting language is that JavaScript. Initially, definitely a little bit. That's the reason and basic today's all equal sustain in this industry. I can just at least basic HTML. You need to know basic SQL code. You need to know you have noticed there is SQL is used here. A basic JavaScript at least basic level. You should know these are very primary prerequisite for it. I have to stay outside. There is a save option. This is published. Schedule and publish. Click here. Schedule and publish. It is showing something or this is a one challenges on it and cannot go to your board again. Challenges is that troubleshooting is sometimes big challenges. Let me check. That was script. This is a good on it. Server. Platform. I mean, should I? There was a space here. Maybe should I give a space? Sure. No, that this is not. Oh, here is line number 4. After double quotes, there will be plus symbol. You have written TA not plus. Line number 4. After a double quotes, there is a plus symbol. Plus will concatenation. Oh, you are printing. Harry will know after double quote it's. Inside double quote, you can write A equal to then after double quote. After double quote plus A. If you want to print any Harry, will you need to write plus A with a string. Then suppose I want to add two number. Suppose name equal to 10. Name is a variable. It is called variable. This is bad. The bad number 20. Now, if I want to print a number 1, they want to print. How could I do? We need to write here of the capital. I want to print it now. Now, this is the section you can write anything because it is a level. Otherwise, if you just print value 10, you will not understand from what it is coming. You will be writing here. I mean that space which you are giving should be given as well. Yes, otherwise you will be not understanding. Upper name name1 variable output. Then I am giving a test that you be. Otherwise, then without this it will be name value name10. Plus. Inside double quotes, you can write anything. Inside double quote, you can write anything. And you have given greater than as well. It is just as simple to look. It is nothing whatever you can write in double quotes. This is the variable after plus. It is a variable. You are printing a variable num1 inside double quote. You are just creating a level. You can suppose you are on to 2 number add. You are writing x equal to 10, y equal to 20, then x plus y. This is a simpler. You are printing the placeholder or that variable. Next, I want to print num2. This is the way. Now I have done mistakes. You have given double quotes. Num1 about the double quote. Then you have not given plus symbol and plus, and this variable is good, otherwise plus symbol is required. That is the mistake. And also double quotes is required for the second one. Double quote should be start up and close. If it is double quote, define some string. Now you can save and done. I think I have to start learning some JavaScript and other things. It is not basic JavaScript that program that it is printed. You can click on publish. Copy that URL and paste in another browser. I mean, we need not learn very complicated for sales. No, it is not much more. These are the technologies you need to even. I want to tell my experience honestly. I spent majority of my career in the Java technology, and then I was a Java trainer even in how I came to Salesforce. I was in the year of a few years back, 2021. I have decided I will leave TCS. Even I have not joined in project and I'm planning to come out. Then that day I was in a pool, not in a project. Suddenly, I have got notice from Salesforce department of the PCS. They call me and tell, do you want to train TCS? Because I told I don't have any background. Then there's no problem. You will come and you will. You are the trainer. You learn. Then I agreed then and then. And then my Salesforce journey started. Since I have a very past Java experience, I want to tell you technology, like Java technology, like the other two, coding is quite challenging and quite coarse in intensive technology. But Salesforce, after joining here, what is the beauty is that it is for everyone. These are the skills for everyone who are more passionate person for them. Salesforce Platform Development LUC, much more intensive languages. Understand. But do you have, since you have like background of Java and coding, for you, Salesforce would have been much easier. Definitely, it makes much more easier. But the thing is, since I have that even I help many thousands that they can easily even to get confident. Easily. And even I tried to teach in such a simple way. Great. Now you can. You want a new line. There it is the same line. It is not looking good. You can write the BR. BR means bridge. You can write one before hello. You can write BR. Angular BR. You can write another, right? No, not like that. You need to write inside. Or you can write as a plus before hello. Just before hello. Inside double quote. Inside double quote. Like this. That I did. Now you can save. It will be new line. I mean, should we close this BR as well? Not required. We have to. Even without close, it will go up. Save and publish. Oh, I have to publish it earlier. Save it. Have you saved it? It is working. You can go to browser and refresh. Got it. Very good. Script run at server. Now, if we get some error, then how we'll do? And it is very common thing. You do not care it. It is very simple. It is called exception handling. Exception handling. It's like in cricket. There is a behind the batsman. There is a wicket keeper. What is the task of wicket keeper? To protect. Protect from go for 4 and 6. It protects. But sometimes wicket keeper also get fell. Then ball goes to outside boundary. Similarly, it is a those kind of situation called exception handling. Exception handling. Generally, suppose if you divide something 10 by 0. Then what will happen? It gets an arithmetic exception. But exception, you can handle it through your program. Suppose you are using Gmail ID when sometimes you write your wrong password. Sometimes by mistakes you are typing, suppose wrong password. Is it any mathematics error? Is it any logical error? It is at the moment you are giving wrong password. It is going to Google database. But they have stored your database. Your password. It is not matching. It is checking it. But which password you are giving input? Which password Google had stored earlier during registration? Both are not matching. It is no error. But how? Google will inform you that an error happened. You have given wrong password. Google is creating. It is generating a custom exception. And then, since it is generating an exception handling, it is creating a message and that message is coming to you. It is a red string message. Invalid user ID or password. Same thing. This is a called exception handling using try-catch platform. This program, if anything we error happen, and we can handle it. That is a to handle try. We write try with catch block. If anything error happen inside try block, it will be hold by catch block. And it is an error, it is an object. And there is a stringify. It is an inbuilt method in JavaScript. Stringify it is a. What is the function of the stringify? Error is a different object. It convert object to string. Because if it is not string, it will not print out. That is the reason it is written. It is a stringify. If it is a no such. Syntactical error. If it is a syntactical error, there is a difference between error and exception. If I do not write here, suppose semicolon. If we forget to write this bracket, it is a logical error. Your program will be during compilation time. It will be get error. But if it is a happen, suppose I am writing here like this, it has b equal to pi. Where b equal to pi. Now, if you write here, j equal to you are writing here. By b minus c. Then write semicolon. What is the value of z? Z's value is equal to 10b minus c 5 minus 50. In that case, what will happen? It will be create an exception. And we will be able to handle that exception. If we do not write try catch, it will be your page will be stuck there. But using try catch, you can handle it. Suppose if it is here 5p is equal to value 3. In that case, 5 minus 3 equals to 2 and 10 divided by 2 means 5. There is no exception is happening. But if it is a divide by 0, that is called arithmetic exception is happening. Then it will be go to cache block. Oh, this program. Initially, no need to write this much long section. We just write it. I mean, should we use this when there is an error or like when do we? To handle it, it is a debug travel show. Those are the purpose. Use the try catch and it is a massive use happen in the JavaScript code Java program. Even I also in Java programming language and try catches. There is a dedicated chapter called exception handling and it is very popular for every developer. Every developer, they need to know about the try catch and it is a common for each and every program. Any programming language, try catch is used for exception handling. It is globally true. You can just note down it. And then you can write this program. Now you try to do exception handling program, which I have done. Try to now create another two variable, one variable b, one variable c, b equal to 5, c equal to 5. Then check. Line number 5. After line number, you can create another two variable. One variable is b and c. No need to copy in the same section. You can do not create another. Yes, inside. Here you can. Now line number. No, keep it equal to 10. Then create a new variable b equal to 5. And that bad. We can do. C equal. Line number 7. What you can write a equal to b, or you can write bad j, or you could write another language. Another variable. Create another variable. But now it could have had equal to g, equal to bad, g equal to bad, g equal to j, equal to a. Now we'll write g equal to a, then slash division, slash symbol. B में C. In bracket B and C. In a bracket. Had that. Give semicolon. Semicolon. No, not here, not double quotes. At the end semicolon, not double. Semicolon. Semicolon at the end of the line. There is a line number 6. Just notice semicolon is there. Got. Just line number 7. Now write equal to right instead of a write j. You write j. Line number 8. Instead of writing a b, c, we are just combining together. We are printing the value of j. Here it is it. Now we can save it. Then what is showing here? It is showing minus division by infinity. Something division by 0, it is infinite. But it is your program is running. It is printing hello on it. People of try guess, then check and go. Suppose you are commenting line number 3 removing and then remove below. Try guess block. Line number 3 removed for timing or commented. Now G equal to N and also remove line number 3 to 11. Remove line number 3 to 11 for timing. 3 to 11. Completely. No. Keep log script logo. Now you try to run, save it. And then what will happen if you create the Can you go to the phone? It may be today automatically itself and you can have a separate. Yes, I have saved it. On a j equal to minus b. J is not printing any. It is pretty infinity kind of things. But it is just handling it. Save it and browse it. Save publish. Anyway, it says some internal mechanism is there. Suppose you by mistake do on semicolon avoid. On closing bracket. You do just by miss. Intentional. Is it because I didn't add this semicolon? It didn't print and get properly. Oh, not like the actual is printing infinity. Because it is a 10 by 0, 0 minutes of the infinity. I'll remove this bracket now. See bracket. I have removed that one. A bracket will close after line number 6 at the end after C. After B minus C bracket. Now you can save and run. Here it is creating exception. You can inside. Now you can write the same thing. It didn't, I guess, block. Use that. Use try upper line number 3, upper line number 2. Internal that use triangle use try block here. Now inside it. I think you have taken notes on the. I have it here. After line number 9, upper line number 9, you can write. Oh. Now you can see. It's the because it is a way to handle it. And without track, maybe marketing cloud to say it's representing generally it should not handle. This is the most interesting. Now we want to get up from any of the data extension. This is the example. Are you able to see my screen? Yes, I'm good. This is the data I have explained with our student table. Student table. We have what that student table. There is a key in the region. You notice there is a yesterday. We have also copied the keys. That key because key identified your data extension. That is the written. I have written exit. It is an extra key and that key we are using the method inbuilt method. It is a data extension. Data extension inside data extension. There is a method name in it. I am passing this exit key here. Careful in it. In SSJS, all methods start with a capital character. This is detection. It is also starting with the character. It is a capital character. I need capital character. If you write small, it will not work. Then it is we are storing in a value. This we are storing in a value. Then value dot. We are writing row dot retrieve. I need to retrieve the all rows of the data extension. Now just storing here. If your data extension, if you have a 30 record, how do you need to do? You need to write a for loop. You need to write a for loop. For loop, it's iterate, that is the best. For loop, I get initial. Adding means initialization. It is a then I less than data dot length and I plus plus. Edit I less than data dot length I plus plus. Next, you need to print here. I want to print all variable. All variable like our student ID, student name, city, date of birth. All variable I want to print. There is a true value I have printed and then catch error and write if it is any error because it is a lengthy program. Till if it is not able to handle and manage, then an exceptional message is there. This message will debug and travel. Shoot this message, then we can get much more correct. This is one interesting program to fetch value from our data. It is working here. Even the catch error comes along with the same code. Yes, catch error. We need to write this. Inside catch, we need to write the object. It is a syntax. We need to write the error. Error is an actual object. Try catch. If you handle the object comes, it has an object. Got it. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.